This DIY was an unexpected one. I went to the craft store for something else, then I saw these butterflies in the craft section, and I was like, oh my god, I have to do something with these. So I chose two different types. Look how beautiful they are, and look at the price. So let's do this. Not sure if I'm fine. I have two of these and I have two of these. I think I'm gonna go with two in here and two in here. So I need frames. I'm replacing the back of the photo frame with the lighter cardboard. The one you see which I'm cutting right now is from cookies, or you can use one from cornflakes because it's lighter and it's flexible. And because the butterflies are 3D, I don't want them to be pressed too hard against the picture frame in the glass, because then it doesn't look pretty. That's why I'm using this recycled cardboard, which is light. So you should do the same. You should try this because you'll see for yourself. Two of these. I think I'm gonna go with two in here because they're close to the real thing, the real deal. So let's see what I mean. Like, you see that they're like 3D butterflies, just out of paper, and they're only 69 cents. So they're, this one costs 69 cents, so it's really cheap. I think I want, and the best part is I can to show you in the sun, so you can put it. And then you have this one. You see that? They're like really pretty, and they have a bit of glitter on them, and they're so beautiful. So I've made a choice. So you see, this comes like this, and it has like a sticker at the back. So I'm gonna put this here. I have to put this in frame so I'm sure what I'm doing. And then the smaller one also with a sticker. I'm not yet sticking them because I want to make sure that I'm fine with where they are. Yeah, okay. And then just press. That looks so good already, right? Like, oh, beautiful. Now I'm going to stick it on. You see that? It's only unfortunate. I don't know yet, he said, wrapping his arms around me from behind. I'm thinking it may be time to settle down and find a house I can make a home. That sounds so right. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in like that. Now the problem is this is a bit thick, if you can tell, so it won't close easily. So what I'm going to do is put this cardboard. This is more flexible and it's thinner. Just to grab the paper and put this on, and then I'm going to, you see there is a bit of a gap. I'm gonna squeeze that, voila, like that, voila, and that's done. Now guys, look at that, look at that. It's like a 3D picture ready to be hung. This one, I don't know which one I want. This one to get this out. Also the same thing. And then I'm going to so I take out the glass and then I put this down. I put this on top, and then I put the butterfly, and then I also think I should put this one. I don't know. Then I get this one too, and then I'll stick it right there. Voila. And then what we are gonna do is, it's just a shame you won't be able to see the 3D effect on in the photo frame, but it's still pretty. You see that? And then you see the stickers at the back. Very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna put back the glass. Put this in, and then get this. Now we are gonna take this out from this, the original, and use, you see the difference? This is thinner, but it's still a bit hard. So we are gonna put this, I don't know, what's the front? Okay, that's the front. I'm gonna put this here like that, and then squeeze it real hard, and then put this in. So this is look. It's not perfect from the back. I wish it had more of these, like here and here, it would be more perfect. But you can see how pretty they are. Then you have the second one. Isn't that pretty? You can still see a bit of the 3D wheel, not so much. Yeah, you do see it. And all for how much? €3.90 something. And it looks like the real thing. Voila. Perfect. Now let's go hang them up. Guys, I couldn't decide where to put this. Should I put this up on the side or down? It looked nice up, but I also liked it down. And I was like, let me put it down because it's next to the switch, so it makes more sense. But when I add more, then I'll put some up also. Looks perfect. Oh my god, so pretty. And it looks like the real deal, man. It does look like the real deal. And all for €3 something. Just perfect. Perfect.